to experience things practically. So he's a very good mentor, I feel. And coming to Natarajan sir, he's one of the best instructors or trainers I've come across in my entire education career until now. So he has trained a lot about construction. He has thought of so many things which I couldn't learn in the college, also in the easiest and simplest manner.
Hi, Wasim.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Wasim. Okay, you know me. This is Aruna from Quality Department.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just want to take a feedback interview from your side, Wasim. So before starting, first of all, congratulations for your placements, Wasim.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown, and all?
So I'm Mohammad Wasim Akram. I'm from KGF. So I've done my BTech in civil engineering from REVA University. So I'm a 2021 pass out.
Okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI, Wasim?
I got to know it about two of my friends. I've already done the course in CMTI and I've also got placed in a very good companies.
Okay. So what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus, like classroom training, site visit training, and all? Can you tell me about brief in this?
I'm firstly telling CMTI actually provides practical knowledge rather than any theoretical knowledge. So a lot of site visits we have been to like the construction sites in Niman's Hospital. There's a construction site there, and also we went to HMG Stones. We went to BGRT, a green building, and we went to True Interiors. We went to Homeland Experience Centers, True Interiors Factory. Also, we went. So all these things, a lot of site visits we have visited, where it was helpful for us to get to know the like what is the process of doing each and everything. What is like how is the interiors, modular interiors are prepared in the factory, and the construction sites. What are the equipments used? How the bar bending is being done? How the placement of modules are done? How the construction is processing? All that.
Okay. So can you speak about our trainer Natarajan sir and Ashok sir? So how was the guidance of career and the interview guidance by Ashok sir? Can you tell me about that?
So, firstly, talking about Ashok sir, he's a wonderful teacher, a wonderful guider. In fact, he has given a lot of guidance. In fact, he has this capability to identify students' capabilities. He identifies them and then nurtures them to become something great in life. So, he has helped us a lot. He has given a lot of opportunities for coordination and all. So, when he found leadership qualities in us, and also he has understood a lot of to experience things practically. So he's a very good mentor, I feel. And coming to Natarajan sir, he's one of the best instructors or trainers I've come across in my entire education career until now. So he has trained a lot about construction. He has thought of so many things which I couldn't learn in the college, also in the easiest and simplest manner.
Okay. So yeah, what was your confidence level before joining the courses and after joining the courses, Wasim?
My confidence level was the same before and now also because I was pretty confident about anything, whatever I take up or whatever I do. I'm very confident about things. So there's nothing much difference about my confidence, but there is a little bit like I feel that I am complete right now, wherein I have a knowledge about the industry. I feel I'm complete now.
Okay. So how many trainers trained you throughout this process?
So, including Ashok sir as a mentor, Natarajan sir, Ganti Mathanathan sir, and Abhinav sir, we have and we have Yashas sir for QS, and for SketchUp, Santosh sir,
Sir and Srinivasan sir.
yeah, Srinivas sir.
Okay, fine. So how was your exposure towards the company, Wasim? So like, see, you have to know about the corporates and all, right? Have like you're having idea about the companies and all before
Not like
joining
no,
PPL?
ma'am. Not before joining CMT. I had no knowledge about the exposure of the industry requirements. Also, once I joined the CMT, then I got to know what is the industry requirements and what is the industry expecting from a candidate. So the exposure I got it from CMTI.
Okay. So what about CMTI app, Wasim? How did that help you?
I haven't gone through the app much, but it is pretty good. I feel it's okay.
Okay. Okay, fine. So what about CMTI staff? How was their approach?
The staff is very helpful. and they are good at their own jobs, and they're always coordinating the students, helping them out with any problems they're facing, and always coordinating the students so that they can come to classes, don't miss any industrial visits or anything. They make sure that everything goes by plan and all the students are getting the opportunities and knowledge.
Okay. So hope you're happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very happy.
Okay. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Wasim?
So I would like to tell all, like, please join CMTI if you need an industrial exposure, to the other people also are watching my video. So the industrial exposure is given by CMTI, and apart from that, the good placements are there. Here they nurture you, they identify your skills, they nurture you, and they get you placed in where you can perform well and where you can explore, where you can come up, grow in that field or career. So I would like everyone to kindly coordinate with the staff also. Learn things, do not miss any classes, and if you need any help, the staff is always there to help. Thank you.
Thank you, Wasim. Thank you so much for your good feedback. I wish all the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements, Wasim. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.